clicking on this video, 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 clicking on this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and just coming here. Okay, like guys, we made it to 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I am still, in my mind, it's still so surreal because I don't know 1,000 subscribers. I don't know 1,000 people. I mean, I really don't know 1,000 people. And so to have you guys be here and just be here to watch my videos, I really appreciate it, because at the end of the day, I do these videos to help people. I mean, yes, I also learn a lot of information when I do research for these videos, and I find a lot of these cool sites and I'm like, oh geez, this is dope, maybe I should apply. But at the end of the day, I'm here to help people, you know, and to just have people change their lives. When I started this channel was all about that. And of course, now I'm trying to get monetized, so you guys are gonna see a lot of content from me. Just keep on watching and just keep on supporting. Okay, so in today's video, I am sharing more remote work from home job sites. As you can see here on the screen, guys, there's JobDuck. JobDuck is a site that I've heard of for like 2 years now. I think I want to say 2 years, and it's a site where basically you know, it's work from home jobs for United States based companies, right? So it says here, helping incredible people build an amazing career working from home for United States based company, right? So it's super cool in that sense. And a lot of people who watch my videos are from South Africa. And as we go along, you'll see that, okay, like, it looks like they're hiring people from the Americas. This is from South America, but there are a lot of South Africans that are hired as well. South Africa is preferred mostly because of the accents. They have like a neutral accent compared to other African countries. But guys, if you shoot your shot, doesn't mean you can't get it, you know. One thing about me, I really believe in that saying that 100% of the shots that are not taken are missed, because if you don't take a shot, you definitely do miss it. Okay, so let us get into the career opportunities that they have here, right? So you can find literally anything from a legal assistant, intake receptionist, executive assistant, billing assistant, client happiness coordinator, marketing assistant, and you also have internal positions as well. Okay, so as I've said, there's so many different positions. I love marketing, so I'm always gonna like go to the marketing sector and see like what's going on, you know. But yeah, guys, so feel free to go shoot your shot and see exactly what's happening. Yes, they're hiring a lot of people from South America, but doesn't mean you can not shoot your shot. I've tried applying for this company before. I never really went through, I'm not gonna lie. They were just asking for so many things, and I think in that week I was so busy, so I never really completed the application, you know. But let us see. Okay, so you can see here it says remote from Argentina, Mexico, Honduras, El Salvador, and Colombia. Okay, but as you can see here, there's benefits as well. First of all, the first benefit is that it's 100% remote. But yeah, anyways, you can see here monthly compensation is $1,000 to $1,225 depending on performance. Then they just need 2 years of experience, right, with and or a related degree. And yeah, so this is all it takes, guys. And then when you go to apply, when I had applied, right, they were asking for me to take like a picture of my work desk setup, my work from home setup, and they were just asking for a lot of things. But guys, definitely go and shoot your shot. As you can see here, they're saying what they're gonna need, right? A copy of your resume, which is your CV, you know, a 300 to 500 word essay explaining why they should hire from your company, from your country, in doc format. So if you're from South Africa or Zimbabwe or whatever, shoot your shot, guys. Shoot your shot. Ain't nothing to lose. Okay. Yeah, and I feel like companies where you can already see how much you're earning, it's good. It's really good. And you can take an English test here and just see, they want to see your English level. And yeah, let's go on, guys. Okay, so we are on the second website right here. We are on the second website, and the second website, you guys, is called Persona. So Persona is basically like a middleman where it takes care of talent seekers and talent itself, right? So you have people meeting at this one place, right? Which, you know, if you are looking for a job, you go there. So if these people are looking to hire people, they go to Persona. So this is what it's all about. This is the cute little logo here. So if you go to Persona on Google, just go to Persona careers, or you can just follow the link in my description box down below and you can see where it takes you. Okay, so it reads, are you constantly seeking for challenges and opportunities to grow? Then you are just like us. Join our team. Work with people from the world's most innovative and cutting edge companies backed by the top investors, and do it from home. Join the team. So as I said, it's remote work opportunities, and as you can see here, it says remote work opportunities to work with some of the world's best companies. As you can see here, these are some of the world's best companies, well, biggest companies rather, because I haven't worked for any of them to know. But as you can see here, it's Google, LinkedIn, Walmart, JP Morgan, Uber, Asana, Facebook, well, it's probably known as Meta now, American Bank, Instacart. So those are just some of the few that I know. And it reads here, if you have a passion for any of the following areas, we have opportunities for you. So you can see here, operations, social media, human resources, customer success. Customer success is just customer representative work, right? Yeah, that's customer rep jobs basically. And then you have executive assistant, and then you have business development, BD for short, but it's also called sales essentially, because you see here it says you'll be responsible for driving business growth by developing strategies to attract new clients and researching new market opportunities. So it's sales. But yeah guys, this is the company, and as you can see here, it says best pay in the industry. They do offer good pay. I must say guys, applying to this company, there's a lot that goes into it. I want to quickly go down to to exactly how it works, right? So as you can see here, you write these are the qualities that they look for, right, in an applicant, right? You will write tests. They want to see your proficiency, especially in the written English language, and they want somebody with strong organizational / project management abilities, which I feel like if you're working from home, these are abilities that you need to have anyway. And then you need to have a professional and friendly attitude. You're able to commit long time and full term, and then you need to be tech savvy and confident in the digital market, because working remotely, you're basically telecommuting, right? Is telecommuting or telemuting? Okay, I think it's telecommuting. So you need to be able to be tech savvy, because you're not going to be in the office. There's nobody who's going to be helping you 24/7. Okay, you need to be able to be, to grasp things quickly, and also you need to have market leading problem solving skills. Very, very important. Okay, and as you can see here, it says apply now. I'll leave the link in the description. We have Crossover. If you have been in this remote workspace or whatever, you've probably heard of Crossover. Crossover it's honestly like, it pays really well. First of all, it pays really well, but it is a place definitely to find a remote job. So basically they it's also sort of like, if I could say, like a marketplace. Not really a marketplace though. If you're looking for a job, you can go there. If you're looking to hire people, you can also go on Crossover. And then Crossover, they take like a very much a detailed sort of like search or journey with you, because you have to do like IQ tests and stuff like that. So that's the scary thing about Crossover being a website, a remote website. So when you go to Crossover, it's not like you'll be working directly for Crossover, but it is a site where you can get to find jobs and stuff like that, and they're very high paying jobs as well. Let's see if we can go to the job seeker section. Guys, my network has not been the best today, but hopefully we can get through this video. But yeah, so definitely go and check Crossover out. There are so many different jobs available on Crossover. Let me just show you if we